you a quick tutorial on infused olive oils. So I went to the grocery store the other day and I was picking up extra virgin olive oil, and I noticed there was like at least 20 infused olive oils, and they ranged from like 10 to 15 US dollars. I was like, no way would I ever spend that. To each their own, but I want to show you a way that you can make your own infused oils at home, and it's really fun and it's cute and it's cost effective. So basically what I've done is taken virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oil and extra virgin olive oil are very different. You might not know, I didn't know at first. So extra virgin olive oil is the first cold press oil that comes from the olive that's harvested. So it's going to be beautiful and vibrant green when you see it in the store. It's going to have a price tag to go along with it because it's the first cold pressed olive oil, and it's also got more nutrients because again you're getting the nutrients from the olives first pressed. And then there's virgin olive oil, and honestly I use virgin olive oil for my cooking because I cook almost every day. So I don't use extra virgin olive oil every day. I use it only sparingly because it's expensive. For salad dressings, I use it for topping things. So if I have a nice creamy soup, I'll just drizzle some of that extra virgin olive oil down on top once it's finished and I'm presenting it, or like on top of a nice pasta, some nice bread. If you dip your bread in extra virgin olive oil, that's when you want to use it. So for my infused olive oils, all I've done is taken olive oil and I've heated it up in my pan. Not overly high, I'm not trying to deep fry my herbs. So all I've done is heated it up a little bit, and what I want to do is now take it and put it into like a little measuring cup, or a bigger measuring cup. So get all of that oil down inside, and it's just warm, so let's still be careful as always. And then I found these little jars. You can buy them at the dollar store. There's all kinds. These are little glass ones, which are great. And they have cute little tops. You might want to label them once they're done, but some of them are pretty obvious. Like this one here that I'm going to show you, which is chilies, my favorite. So how I go about this is just take your chili, and it is using something fresh, so we'll talk about that in a minute. If you don't want to get your hands full of chilies, just take the back of your knife and kind of like bang on it. What's it going to do is release the natural oils from your chili or your herbs. Same concept with the herbs. If you want to like release the oils, which you should, it's just kind of bang on them a little bit. You do this with thyme. This is thyme, rosemary. Then I have some nice tarragon, one that I made earlier. Just bruise it, scrunch it up in your hands, in your clean hands a little bit before you put it inside. And then just take the olive oil that's nice and warm and pour it down over your chilies. Just like that, perfect. So there you go. I mean, that was super simple with a nice size olive oil. You can make all different kinds. I think that they're really cute. Christmas is coming up. This would be great for a little Christmas gift. Put some colorful twine around it and put it in a little container, maybe some chocolates or something to go with it for a friend. I would put an expiration on it, and this is what I meant to tell you. So because you're using fresh herbs, they are gonna go rancid faster than if you just keep your olive oil, say, in your pantry or on your shelf. So I like to store mine in the refrigerator. They'll last for about a month, but if you do them in little jars like this, you'll be using them in no time. And then the only way one way you can tell if you want to see if your oil has gone rancid, because that's not good obviously, is to smell it. So get used to smelling the olive oil and what it smells like. If it smells like, say, motor oil, it's gone. Just throw it away, throw it out, it's done. But if it smells like chilies, if it smells like olives and thyme, or whatever it is that you infuse it with, you're good to go. So there you go. I hope that you enjoyed a little tutorial today on infused olive oils. Enjoy.